Yo, what's good? What's good? That's your boy, Nicholas Beatmaker. So, in today's video, I want to show you this trap beat, this project. But anyways, some people they say that I always use loops, which is true. But that does not mean that I cannot make my own loops. So on this beat, I made this loop. It's a guitar type beat, Ghana type beat. I made this loop and I saved it and then I added the drums. So yeah, man, enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos and enjoy. Let me start the beat. The first thing I'm gonna play is this loop right here. So this loop is like it's a guitar and a bass guitar and some synthesizer. It's just an ordinary loop, like just a normal loop, nothing crazy. I didn't want it to add too many sound here, and you can see inside the loop I got nothing because already this loop is already saved, and I made it, and then I saved it, and then I went straight to come and add the drums. And the next thing I added on this beat, okay, next thing I added on this beat was the hi-hat. So as you can see here, I'm gonna play the hi-hat. Before we can play the full beat, let me play the hi-hat. Just a simple hi-hat pattern, as you can see right there, simple hi-hat pattern. Oh my god, what did I do? um Already the guitar is going crazy, and then I didn't want the hi-hat to go crazy. So yeah, and then after playing the hi-hat, I added the drums, like the clap, the snares, and the open hats and the kick and the vox. This is how it's let me play the full beat, and then I will go to the master channel, then I will show you um how I mastered, like what exactly do I want to see. I mean, do I need to see on my master channel, so that I can save the MP3. I mean, it's not a matter of just making a beat and then you leave it without mixing and mastering. The clap is too much, or the kick is hitting above. like the 808 and everything is a mess. You need to balance the stuff, mix your master pretty well. And shout out to the guy on my YouTube. There's somebody commented and said, this other I made this other track with Franklin Soul. He said he wants to mix and master it. Then I asked your email, bro. I don't know if you didn't see the reply, but I asked your email. I said, like, what's your email? Because I wanted to send you this other project with Franklin Soul. So he said he will master it for me. So if you send me your email, bro, I will make sure I send you the project, and then you master, and then I learn from your mixing and mastering. Anyways, let me play the full beat. We're gonna start this beat, yeah. I think 1 minute 30 or 20 seconds. I didn't want to continue. I mean, yes, I can make it 3 minutes, but I wanted it to be short and precise because I didn't use too many sounds, too many instruments while I was making this beat. And now I wanna show you what is on the master channel, right? So if I open the master channel, you can see the first thing on my master channel is the FX analyzer. Why do I have the FX analyzer on my master channel? Okay, I want to see where the whole beat is playing, right? Okay, let me just do a small tutorial on FX analyzer. You can see them on top of the FX analyzer. We have plus 6 decibels, and then we have 6 decibels, and then when we are decreasing, going down, I see minus 6 decibels, minus 12 decibels, minus 20 decibels, minus 30 decibels, minus 40 decibels, minus 50 decibels, minus 60 decibels. dB is decibels, and on your like horizontal, you can see uh vertical, like you can see 20 hertz, 50 hertz, 150 hertz, or 450 hertz, 1 kilohertz, 2 kilohertz, 4 kilohertz, 7. So all this is just frequency, this analyzes small, like, to me it's more like an EQ. Your from your left side going to the right, you have your low, mid, and high. Okay, so another thing that I have on my master channel is the multi-band compressor. Why do I have multi-band compressor? Okay, this is why. Multi-band compressor works like a compressor. Okay, so multi-band compressor, it helps me to, like, play the beat. Like I said, everything, all these things, multi-band compressor, FX analyzer, is the same. It's just like FX equalizer, because you have your master channel. Same thing with the main master channel. Okay, and on your master channel, you have all, which means you have low, mid, and high. You have a low, mid, and high. Okay, and then you have a low, mid, and high, and then you can solo all this and play them individually. Let me try to solo the highs and see how it will sound. So you can see that there is something playing above the the threshold line for sure. This line, there is something playing above this threshold line, and you can see that, I believe, is the kick. So the kick is hitting hard. It is not, I mean, it does not mean that the kick is bad. It's just hitting hard above our threshold, and then everything that hits above the threshold, we need to carry it. We need to carry it with the ratio. You can see now. So everything that will hit above, we make sure that we carry it with the threshold, but we don't do too much. We just want to make sure we cut anything that is hitting above. so that when it hits it will dark and it will not hit. um, then let's go to the mid. You can see the kick is very punchy. It's hitting above, man. There's not like let's go to the kick mastering channel. You can see here. Let me play the kick. Let's see. You see the difference now. I increased the threshold, and then now it's no longer playing above the threshold. Let me go to the eyes. Yeah, now I feel like it's good. Let me go to the low. Yeah, now I feel like, yeah, you can see it's even hitting below 30 decibels, which is good. This is how I do my mixing and mastering. But anyways, I just wanted to show you how to make this guitar type beat in FL Studio Mobile. So yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. And shout out to new members to the channel. Let's keep growing, man. Let's keep growing. Anyways, yeah, for more you can go to my community post. I share a lot of questions about music, beat making, and all that. And you can also join my telegram group where I like communicate, with the members in the chat. And yeah, man, shout out. And I'm coming with more tutorials. I'm still cooking some nice beats, mastering and mixing them very well. I don't want to be uploading like product that is not legitimate. I mean, that is not legitimate to the community. I want to make sure I stay real as possible always. But anyways, shout out and thanks for watching the video until the end. See you on the next one.